आता खबर विस्तारान. शुक्रारा गोवा बोर्डाच्या 10वीच्या परीक्षेचो निकाल लागलो. या वर्सा 91.27% 10वीचो निकाल लागला. 19,596 भुरगीं परीक्षेक बशिल्लीं. तातूंतली 17,886 भुरगीं परीक्षेत उत्तीर्ण जालीं. राज्यांत 78 इश्कोलांचो 100% निकाल लागला. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर परवरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
This year's number of students appeared for whole examination is 19,596 students whole. Then exempted 6,055. Now number of students passed 17,886. Exempted 256. Pass percentage of whole, that means those students those who appeared by taking all the subjects, is 91.27 and exempted is 39.8%. So this year's result is 91.27%. Then next slide, gender wise results. Boys 10,158 boys appeared, out of which 9,009 passed, and the passing percentage of boys is 88.69. Girls 10,093 students, girl students appeared and passed 9,133, and the percentage is 90.49. So the number of girl students passing this examination is more. Then some of the salient features of this examination. Center Panji 18,060 students appeared. The 1860 students appeared. Pass percentage 89.13. This center is with highest enrollment center. Then Cape 502 students enrolled. Pass percentage is 81.67. This center is with lowest passing percentage. At the Mashe 179 students enrolled and pass percentage is 96.60.